Hello everyone, this is Tripti, your German language trainer. So in this session, we are going to learn the professions in German. So basically a profession is called Beruf in German language and its article is there which is masculine. So der Beruf is a profession. So if this in plural form, then professions are called Berufe. This is Berufe and the article of plural ones are die. So die Berufe in German and professions are in English. Okay. Now move to the list of the professions here. So in this session, we are learning professions in German along with the sentence formations, like how can we use these professions in German language sentences. Okay. So here first, as you can see here, first profession we have a teacher. So as you can see on my screen here that we have written the profession in for the male and for the female here. So we have to write the articles also for these professions. So article there, as you can see here, this is there. Article will be used for the male or the masculine ones, or article the will be used for the females or for feminine ones. Okay, so here the thing is, first, a male teacher. Male teacher is called Lehrer, and its article is there. So this is there. Lehrer means male teacher. And if it's the female one, female professions will be made like by adding in, like the suffix adding in with the male profession. As you can see here, we have written Lehrer plus in. This is plus in. That means Lehrerin. It will become the Lehrerin. Then Lehrerin is for the female one. So here the article is the. So the Lehrerin means a female teacher. So this rule will be followed in other professions as well. And you can see in other professions the same thing here. So let's move to the sentences. So first sentence for the female one, and wherever you are using for sentences or writing sentences for females, you have to write the professions with in suffix here. So let's read out this sentence. So ich bin Lehrerin. This is ich bin Lehrerin. So Lehrerin, this is in is adding here with this profession. That means this is for female. So I am a teacher. Basically the translation of this, I am a teacher, and this sentence is talking about the female teacher. Okay, move to the male now. Sein Vater is Lehrer von Beruf. So here in this sentence, you can see that Lehrer is used, not the Lehrerin. Not in is using. So therefore, this is for only Lehrer. That means this is for male, for the masculine ones. So sein Vater is Lehrer von Beruf. So sein means his. Vater means father. His father is a teacher by profession. Beruf is a profession. So his father is a teacher by profession. So here you can see here in the sentence we are talking about the male or the masculine one. That means Lehrer we have used, and in this sentence Lehrerin we have used with in suffix. So we are talking about the female. Okay, move to the next profession so that it would be clear to you. So here the male doctor is called Arzt, and its article is there. As I have already told you that with the masculine we are using article there, and for the feminines we are using article D. Okay, so there Arzt is a male doctor, and the Ärztin, in is added as the suffix here. The Ärztin, a umlauts also please pay attention to the spelling here. A umlaut we are using. So the Ärztin is a female doctor. Okay, now let's see the sentence formation here for the female one. Ich rufe die Ärztin an. Here we are using the trennbares verb, that means separable verb. Anrufen here this is. So ich rufe die Ärztin an. That means we are using Ärztin here. That means we are talking about the female doctor. So I will call the doctor. So in the translation also we don't use female doctor, male doctor. We only use in the translation only doctors. But in German you have to write the sentences like this. If you're talking about the male doctor, then this would be Arzt with their Arzt. And if it's female doctor, then this is die Ärztin. Okay. So in the sentence, let's use the for male. Ist Arzt. Ist Arzt. So he is a doctor because Arzt is using. So that means they are talking about the male doctor. So he is a doctor. Okay. Move to the next profession we have, that is a pilot. So male pilot is called their pilot. This is spelling is same but pronunciation is bit different. So their pilot is a male pilot, and female pilot is called the pilotin. In is added as the suffix here and the article. So the pilotin means a female pilot. Okay, move to the sentences. Sie ist Pilotin einer Fluggesellschaft. Sie ist Pilotin einer Fluggesellschaft. So again, they are talking about piloting. That means a female pilot. So she is an airline pilot. She is an airline pilot. And next sentence we have, er will pilot werden. Here we are using pilot. That means for male pilot. Er will pilot werden. So he wants to become a pilot. He wants to become a pilot. Okay. Next profession we have Schauspieler, means a actor. So der Schauspieler means an actor here, and die Schauspielerin with in suffix here, and the article die Schauspielerin means an actress. So sentences are, sie ist eine Bollywood Schauspielerin. Sie ist eine Bollywood Schauspielerin means she is a Bollywood actress. And next sentence we have, er ist auch ein ziemlich guter Schauspieler. Er ist auch ein ziemlich guter Schauspieler. Then he is also a pretty good actor. He is also a pretty good actor. Okay, move to the next one. We have Spieler. Spieler means a player. So again, here is different for the male and for the female. So their Spieler means a male player. The Spielerin means a female player. So this is not Spieler, this is Spieler. So here are the sentences. Sie ist eine gute Tennisspielerin. Sie ist eine gute Tennisspielerin. So she is a good tennis player. She is a good tennis player. Okay. Now in the next sentences, mein Sohn ist Fußballspieler. Mein Sohn ist Fußballspieler. So my son is a football player. Okay. Next profession we have for a manager. So there you can also pronounce this as manager, like in English, but also as the manager. So we are pronouncing it as manager. So their manager may that is a male manager, and if we are adding in here, then the managerin or the managerin female manager. Okay, here are the sentences. Ich bat darum, mit der Managerin oder Managerin zu sprechen. So I asked to speak to the manager. I asked to speak to the manager. It's for the female one because we have used here Managerin oder Managerin. Then is their manager einer Bar. Is their manager einer Bar. He is the manager of a bar. He is the manager of a bar. Okay. The next profession we have a Geschäftsmann. Geschäftsmann is called a businessman. So their Geschäftsmann, man is a man and Frau is a lady or a wife. So here this is a lady, businesswoman. Their Geschäftsmann is a businessman. The Geschäftsfrau is a businesswoman. Here are the sentences. Meine Mutter ist eine erfolgreiche und selbstständige Geschäftsfrau. Meine Mutter ist eine erfolgreiche und selbstständige Geschäftsfrau. So my mother is a successful and self-reliant businesswoman. My mother is a successful and self-reliant businesswoman. Okay, then next sentence is, ist der millionenschwere Geschäftsmann. Ist der millionenschwere Geschäftsmann. So he is the millionaire businessman. He is the millionaire businessman. Okay, then next we have a lawyer. So their Rechtsanwalt. Their Rechtsanwalt is a male lawyer, and the Rechtsanwältin. The Rechtsanwältin is a female lawyer. Please pay attention here, the spellings. We are using Anwalt here, and in the female we are Anwältin. This is the with a umlaut. Okay, here are the sentences. Eine Anwältin ist jemand, die als Anwalt tätig ist. Eine Anwältin ist jemand, die als Anwalt tätig ist. So lawyer is someone who practices law. We are using Anwältin, that's why it is clearly shows that we are using for the female lawyer. Then a lawyer is someone who practices law. This is the translation. The next sentence we have, har den besten Anwalt engagiert. Hat den besten Anwalt engagiert. So he has hired the best lawyer. He has hired the best lawyer. Here we have used the Anwalt, so that's why we are talking about the male lawyer. Okay. Then next profession we have for singer. So male singer is called der Sänger. Der Sänger, and female singer is called die Sängerin. Die Sängerin. So here are the sentences. Sie ist eine wirklich gute Sängerin. Sie ist eine wirklich gute Sängerin. And its translation is, she is a really good singer. She is a really good singer. Then next sentence we have, Joskun war Sänger von Beruf. Joskun war Sänger von Beruf. Then its translation is, Joskun was a singer by profession. Joskun was a singer by profession. Okay. And the last profession we have, a male dancer is called tänzer. So their tänzer is a male dancer, and female dancer is called die Tänzerin. Die Tänzerin. So here are the sentences. Sie machte eine Ausbildung zur professionellen Tänzerin. Sie machte eine Ausbildung zur professionellen Tänzerin. So she trained as a professional dancer. She trained as a professional dancer. The next sentence we have, bewegte sich wie ein Tänzer. Bewegte sich wie ein Tänzer. So he moved like a dancer. He moved like a dancer.